Hey guys, welcome back. I am Dr. Strasser. I am your chiropractor. And today we're just going to do a short video on low back stretches. Most of these stretches are just going to help relieve pain, and it could some of them can activate your abs and your core. So the first one we're going to do is we're going to go on your back. This is going to be a knees to chest stretch. So knees to chest. And what this does is it's really just going to relax the low back. It's a decompression. So what you're going to be doing is laying on your back and slowly pull your knees up to your chest, and you're going to be breathing. Take deep breaths in and out for about 20-30 seconds, decompressing the basically what's called intervertebral spaces. And those are going to take pressure off the disc and the nerves. Okay, I like to do this first. It also promotes the relaxation of the parasympathetic nervous system, which aids in digestion. So you can improve your digestion by doing this. Okay, so very good stretch there. The second one we're going to be doing is what's called a child's pose. And that's going to be part of a yoga series pose. And you've probably seen people doing this. It is basically, you're going to be on all fours, and you're going to kind of tuck your chin down, forehead on the ground, knees to the ground. And what this does is basically, you're going to be elongating the spine. Okay, so this pose or stretch is good for long days of sitting or standing. It just relieves that pain. Personally, I like to kind of rock back and forth with it, just kind of open up my hips. And so we're just doing that for a couple of minutes. Again, these are just short stretches. You can do these before your workout or after your workout. I like them to do it sometimes in the morning or after a workout. One of the best ones is called a cat-cow. It's kind of part of a yoga thing as well. Cat-cow. So basically, you're just going to kind of mock the movements of a cat or cow. The cow is when you're going to be on all fours and you're elongating your spine. You're looking up at the sky. Your belly tries to touch the ground. You're going to be on your knees though. So you're going to hold for a little bit, probably each pose about 20 seconds. Now the cow, you're going to actually take a deep breath in, and then as you go into your cat, you're going to actually arch your back, neck down, and you're going to actually breathe out. So you're activating a lot of your core in this stretch. One side's going to be contracting, and the other side's going to actually be stretching. And then the opposite goes when you go the other way. So you're just totally activating your core the whole time. Okay. Kind of the final one is it's like a piriformis figure four. Call it figure four. Hopefully you can see all those. Get out of the way so you can zoom in there. Figure four is when you're laying on your back and you bring your leg up, one leg or the other first, and then you cross your other leg over and you pull the back of your hamstring up, and you're stretching your piriformis, you're stretching your glutes and your hamstring all at the same time. Obviously I struggle at this. I have difficulty doing this, but I like to do it after a workout, especially a leg workout. Your piriformis is a muscle that attaches to your spine, and it goes into the front in your, basically up your pelvic bone. So it can limit you a lot if it's not stretched out. So I like to do that stretch. And finally, I kind of end with just a simple touching toes, just mostly for my hamstring and low back. So I just sit on my bottom and my legs are completely extended out, and just reach and touch. I also have tight hamstrings. So all these are good for low back tension, and these should help you get through especially while you're in treatment with us. I'll refer back to this video for some folks that need the stretching while we're treating. Okay, have a good day. We'll see you next time.